Transmotion is a family-owned business. We have about 30 actual employees here. We're big enough that we have muscle to do really large and long-term projects, but we're still small enough that we haven't lost that personal touch. In this industry, there's certainly a lot of documentation and paperwork to keep track of, tons of moving parts. And one of the things that had us moving to Alvys is we were coming up with a lot of redundancies. We had a huge physical paper trail, which was really challenging to keep track of. And this is a really great place where we can kind of consolidate all of that into one system. The integrations are really wonderful, and it's really become an interface that we can kind of use as an all-in-one rather than having to toggle between multiple different systems in order to get the information we need. The previous system that we had was very difficult to navigate. Once we introduced Alvys, people were able to pick it up very quickly. Once you kind of know how to navigate one module, it's pretty intuitive how to get around in the others. One of the things that Alvys has solved for us is our communication with our drivers. With Alvys, everything's streamlined through the app. And so those drivers get all of their load information. They have their pickup times, their delivery times. They can check in and out right there on the app. And that really cuts down our need to do constant check calls with the drivers. And it's actually improved our communication then with our customers as well, because we can get them that information kind of at the drop of a hat. Another function that we use all the time is the search functions. If I'm looking for information about a specific driver, I can put his or her name in there and all of the loads that they're on will pull up, and it allows us to have information for our clients very, very quickly when they call in. Alvys provides really robust reporting features as well. We can customize those reports on all kinds of different factors, from revenue per truck, revenue per driver, revenue per customer. So that data is really important to us as we work to continue to grow and expand our reach in the industry as well. Really for us, I think that high level of customization and that high level of personal touch, like both of those things are values that we have as a company for Transmotion. So it's nice to have a partner in the industry that carries those same values.